So there's a lot of things you can do. So the number one thing you can do to limit your competition with online book arbitrage is to, when you're sourcing inventory, pay attention to the number of the total number of sellers who are selling that book. That's a very important figure. So if you just focus on the prices and the demand, which is what most people focus on, you ignore an important piece of information, which is there's a little, when you're on Amazon, it'll say 75, used and new sellers, right? That number is important because the lower that number, the lower obviously the number of people selling the book, but also it limits the competition that may come in the future. So it really, what that signals is there's a low supply of this book. So what I tell my students is keep that number to 75 or less with books. Right, that would be 75 would be like a lot for like other categories, like a lot of people sell. But with books, there's just so many sellers, right? So 75 or less, and that limits the competition, not just in the present, but also in the future as well. So that's the biggest thing you can do, and there's a lot of others, but that's the big one.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.